Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to use Outlook undo feature. Whenever you send a mail and the mail is not complete, you will want to have the undo feature so that the mail is not sent. So to enable the undo feature, what you need to do is head over to the settings option on the top right. Once you're inside of settings, head over to the mail option and then head over to compose and reply. In this section, you just need to scroll down until you see the option called undo send. It says right here, you can cancel an email after you selected send. To cancel, select the undo button that appears on the bottom of your screen. So this is the number of seconds that you have to cancel the email that you send. So make sure you set it to however long you want. The maximum is 10 seconds. Once you selected your time, click on save. Let's take a look at an example. Right here, as you can see, you'll have the option called undo. You can just click on the undo button and the email will be unsent. So that's all there is for this video. That was the way that you use the undo feature inside of Outlook. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.